Ken from Atascocita has a pergola issue.
Yes, he wants to protect this from the outdoor elements.
Nice.
It is nice. Looks like you got some sort of screen on top of it or something. It's really nice.
Yeah, it looks like a translucent plastic
thing. Yeah, I like the light bulbs and the speakers too. Nice touch.
I got speakers on mine.
I've seen articles say to use a clear stain. He writes as a protectant. My pergola is about 6 years in age, and I've used wood protectant in the past, but protectants do not keep the wood appearance brilliant and the redwood color the way he wants it. So, Tom, what do you recommend Ken use to protect this baby?
Well, you can use clear sealers, not a clear stain. It's a clear sealer.
Okay.
But you have to do it all the time because it's going to start to weather, and eventually that's going to weather anyway. If you want a real true color, you're going to have to use either a semi-transparent or a solid color stain. Then you have a pigment in there which gives it the color. But the wood itself, it's going to weather. It will change if you're not going to put anything on there.
So he could get like a redwood pigment in like a semi-translucent thing.
Yes, the color, whatever color he wants.
And that would preserve the red color that he likes.
Right, but it's not the true color of the wood. Oh. It's actually a paint color, so some people hate it. You know, you buy that beautiful cedar, it's brand new, it looks fantastic. Cedar's going to weather. It just naturally, with age, is going to change, just like old people like me.
But you come to like that color. It's like our wives' natural color in their hair.
Okay, wherever you're going with the wife thing.
Got a question? Go ahead and send it our way. We'll be happy to help you out. You can send it to me in my garage. That's where I'll be sleeping. Yes. Or visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom form. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.